Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing 3D origami butterfly model. Last time we did a butterfly model, but that was normal origami butterfly. This time it's all 3D. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, for this butterfly model, we'll need some black pieces and some blue pieces. So let's begin. So first we'll make the wings, and for the wings we'll need these black pieces to be fitted like this. So first you put it like this, one edge open and one edge in this and in this fashion. Let me just get these on this side. Yeah, I hope you can see it. So we'll put 6 such black pieces like this, press it, one edge open and one edge closed. Let's use another piece. So we have such 6 black pieces. Now we'll have one black piece like this here, holding it like this, and then we put one blue piece here. Glue these pieces properly. I'm not gluing it because the final model I'll be pasting it on a mount board. This is how it looks. Now you need to fill this layer with blue pieces. So keep on putting these blue pieces in this fashion. One in blue side and one, the black edge goes in this hole. This is how it looks. Now we put one black piece like this here, one pocket empty and one pocket like this, and then we put all the blue pieces. Again, fill this one row, full row like this. This is how it looks, and then we'll add a black piece over here at the end. And now we'll put the black pieces like this. So add one more black piece like this, and then all will be black. So press it tightly. And this is how it looks. And then you pack this one here, one like this, and the last one like this. So this is how it looks. Now we add one more at the top so that we can get a edge like this. So this is one wing. This is how we'll be placing it in the opposite direction. So this is the top wing of the butterfly, left side top wing of the butterfly. Now let's make the bottom wing. Right, let's do the bottom left wing now. For that we'll need some black pieces. We need to arrange it in same way. So here this is how it was like, right? So you need to press it like this. One pocket open, one pocket close. Go on adding these. These are some old pieces which I have, and hence the color went away, but it's fine. We'll use them later. Let's pick some good pieces. Yeah, these are better. So 6 pieces in a row like this. Now we add one piece. Let me just get some good pieces. Yeah, so we add one piece like this. This time we put a black piece here, and then we fill up with blue pieces. One black edge and one blue edge in each pocket. Now you need to add one piece like this, one pocket open and one pocket closed. So, and then you need to fill it up again with blues. This is how it looks. Now you need to pack it here. Like this. This you need to keep it open, and this you need to pack it. And then you put one more black like this. Guess I have all such pieces only, so let's use them. You need to put one black like this. Again, similar to this piece, you need to keep one pocket open, one hole open, and one edge packed. And then put a blue piece. This. Like this, and then one here. Now we cover with all black pieces. So pack it like this, and then here black. This is how the bottom wing looks like. So this will be kept like this. Flatten it slightly, and this is how it will be kept. And the top wing which we made will be like this. Now let's make the body. For the body, we'll need some blue pieces. So let's open them. So this, we start with a black first. better piece. Start with a black. You put a blue piece like this, another blue piece like this, then you put one in this edge, one in this edge, and then you put a black piece which packs like this. Put another black piece, which packs like this. Now you put again two blue pieces, one in this edge, another in this edge. Then we put one blue piece again here, like this. Press this properly. And then you put black pieces. Three to four black pieces at the end. Here we can extend actually, so let's put one more black piece and one more. So total 3 black pieces at the beginning. So this is how the body looks, and I have the other wings ready. So we have all the 4 wings now. We put this wing like this. This will be in this fashion. Yeah. So this goes in like this, and this goes like this. Yeah. Then you press them properly, give it proper shape like this. You can keep this actually in this hole as well. Yeah. So this is how the final model of butterfly looks like. This is how I'm gonna stick on my mount board so that it retains its shape. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified first. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.